Best motherboard. If you're planning a new gaming PC, choosing the right motherboard can make a big difference in your build. It needs to match your processor, memory, case, and the features you actually plan to use. In this video, we're looking at some of the best motherboards for different types of PC builds, from value-focused options to higher-end gaming boards. We'll consider things like power delivery, expansion slots, storage support, connectivity, networking, and upgrade potential. Whether you're building an AMD or Intel system, the goal is to find a motherboard that gives you the features you need without paying for extras you'll never use. So if you're ready to find the right foundation for your next gaming PC, let's get into the list and see which motherboard stands out the most. Number 5. ASUS ROG Strix B550F Gaming Wi-Fi 2. Color: black. Weight: 1000 g. If you're building an AMD gaming PC on the AM4 platform, the ASUS ROG Strix B550F Gaming Wi-Fi 2 is a motherboard worth looking at. It combines a solid feature set with plenty of connectivity for a modern gaming build. This board uses the AMD B550 chipset and supports compatible Ryzen 3000-5000 series processors, along with selected 4000-5000G series desktop CPUs. You also get 4 DDR4 memory slots, with support for up to 128 GB of RAM. For storage, there are dual M.2 slots and 6 SATA ports, while PCIe 4.0 support gives compatible graphics cards and SSDs more bandwidth. Networking is another highlight, with built-in Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.2, and 2.5 gigabit Ethernet. The 12+2 teamed power stage design is aimed at delivering stable power, and BIOS flashback makes firmware updates more convenient. ASUS also includes Aura Sync RGB support for customizable lighting. Pros: Wi-Fi 6E and 2.5 gigabits Ethernet. PCIe 4.0 with dual M.2 slots. Strong AM4 connectivity and BIOS flashback. Cons: uses the older AM4 and DDR4 platform. Not compatible with newer AM5 Ryzen CPUs. HDMI 2.1 output depends on compatible processor graphics. Specs and configurations. CPU socket, AM4. Chipset, AMD B550. Memory, DDR4, up to 128 GB. Memory slots, 4. Storage, 2 M.2 slots, 6 SATA ports. Networking, Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.2, 2.5 gigabits Ethernet. Expansion, PCIe 4.0. Form factor, ATX. RGB, addressable Gen 2 RGB, Aura Sync. Number 4. GIGABYTE B550MK. Weight, 760 g. For a compact AMD gaming or everyday PC build, the GIGABYTE B550MK keeps things fairly straightforward while still offering the features many AM4 users need. This micro ATX motherboard is built around the AMD B550 chipset and supports Ryzen 3000, 4000, and 5000 series processors. It uses DDR4 memory, with 4 DIMM slots and support for up to 128 GB, giving you plenty of room for a capable system. Storage flexibility is one of its stronger points. You get one PCIe 4.0 M.2 slot and another PCIe 3.0 M.2 slot, along with 4 SATA ports. For graphics, the main PCIe 4.0 x16 slot can accommodate a compatible modern graphics card. GIGABYTE also uses a digital 3+3 VRM design with premium chokes and capacitors. The chipset heatsink helps with heat dissipation, while QFlash makes BIOS updates more convenient. Pros: supports Ryzen 3000, 4000, and 5000 CPUs. 2 M.2 slots with PCIe support. Compact micro ATX design with 4 RAM slots. Cons: 3+3 power phase design is fairly basic. No built-in Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. AM4 and DDR4 limit future platform upgrades. Specs and configurations. CPU socket, AM4. Chipset, AMD B550. Memory, DDR4, up to 128 GB. Memory slots, 4. Storage, 1x PCIe 4.0 M.2, 1x PCIe 3.0 M.2, 4x SATA. Graphics slot, PCIe 4.0 x16. USB, USB 3.2 Gen 1. LAN, Gigabit Ethernet. Form factor, Micro ATX. BIOS, QFlash. Number 3. GIGABYTE B550 Eagle Wi-Fi 6. Weight, 1250G. If you're putting together an AM4 gaming PC and want built-in wireless connectivity, the GIGABYTE B550 Eagle Wi-Fi 6 brings a useful mix of features without making the motherboard overly complicated. It supports AMD Ryzen 3000, 4000, and 5000 series processors and uses DDR4 memory across 4 DIMM slots, with support for up to 128 GB. That gives you plenty of flexibility for gaming, multitasking, and general desktop use. One feature that immediately stands out is the built-in Wi-Fi 6. You also get Gigabit Ethernet, so you have both wireless and wired networking options. Storage is handled by two M.2 slots, while PCIe 4.0 support provides faster bandwidth for compatible hardware. GIGABYTE uses a digital 10+ 3-phase VRM design, along with enlarged VRM heatsinks and thermal pads to help manage heat. The pre-installed I/O armor and PCIe Easy Latch can also make the building process a little easier. Pros: built-in Wi-Fi 6 and Gigabit Ethernet. Two M.2 slots with PCIe 4.0 support. 10+ 3-phase VRM with enlarged heatsinks. Cons: limited to the older AM4 and DDR4 platform. Ethernet is limited to 1 GB. No newer AM5 processor support. Specs and configurations. CPU socket, AM4. Chipset, AMD B550. Memory, DDR4, up to 128 GB. Memory slots, 4. Storage, 2x M.2, 4x SATA. Graphics interface, PCIe 4.0. Networking, Wi-Fi 6, 1 GB LAN. USB, USB 3.2 Gen 2, USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-C. Power design, digital 10+ 3-phase VRM. Form factor, ATX. RGB, RGB Fusion. Number 2. GIGABYTE B550 Gaming XV2. Weight, 1.48 kilograms. The GIGABYTE B550 Gaming XV2 is the kind of motherboard that focuses on the essentials while still giving an AM4 gaming PC plenty of room to grow. Built around the AMD B550 chipset, it supports Ryzen 3000, 4000, and 5000 series processors. You get 4 DDR4 memory slots with support for up to 128 GB, making it suitable for everything from gaming to heavier multitasking. Storage is another strong area. There are 2 M.2 slots, including one with PCIe 4.0 support, plus 4 SATA connections. The main PCIe 4.0 x16 slot is ready for a compatible graphics card, while the 10+3 digital power phase design is paired with VRM heatsinks to help maintain stable power delivery. For connectivity, there are several USB options, including a front USB Type-C connection. Gigabit Ethernet handles wired networking, and the board also includes Bluetooth 5.3. One particularly useful feature is QFlash Plus, which allows a BIOS update without needing the CPU, memory, or graphics card installed. Pros: strong 10+ 3-phase power design. 2 M.2 slots with PCIe 4.0 support. QFlash Plus simplifies BIOS updates. Cons: no built-in Wi-Fi. Uses the older AM4 and DDR4 platform. Gigabit LAN is less advanced than faster Ethernet options. Specs and configurations. CPU socket, AM4. Chipset, AMD B550. Memory, DDR4, up to 128 GB. Memory slots, 4. Storage, 2x M.2, 4x SATA. Graphics interface, PCIe 4.0 x16. Networking, Gigabit Ethernet, Bluetooth 5.3. USB, USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-A, USB Type-C. Power design, digital 10+ 3-phase. Form factor, ATX. BIOS, QFlash Plus. RGB, RGB Fusion. Number 1. ASUS TUF Gaming B550 plus Wi-Fi 2. Weight, 1.3 pounds. The ASUS TUF Gaming B550 Plus Wi-Fi 2 is built for AMD users who want a dependable gaming motherboard with strong networking and plenty of expansion options. Using the B550 chipset and AM4 socket, it supports compatible Ryzen processors and DDR4 memory, with 4 memory slots and support for up to 128 GB. That makes it a practical foundation for a capable gaming or productivity system. One of the biggest advantages here is connectivity. Built-in Wi-Fi 6 gives you a convenient wireless option, while 2.5 gigabit Ethernet provides faster wired networking than standard gigabit LAN. Bluetooth 5.2 is also included. For storage, you get 2 M.2 slots, including one with PCIe 4.0 x 4 connectivity, plus 6 SATA ports. The board also features 8+2 DRMOS power stages, alloy chokes, durable capacitors, and dedicated heatsinks designed to help with thermal management. USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type A and Type C connections add useful flexibility, while BIOS flashback can simplify firmware updates. Pros: Wi-Fi 6 and 2.5 gigabits Ethernet built in. Dual M.2 slots with PCIe 4.0 support. Good cooling and power delivery features. Cons: limited to AM4 and DDR4. No next-generation AM5 CPU support. Some advanced features depend on compatible hardware. Specs and configurations. CPU socket, AM4. Chipset, AMD B550. Memory, DDR4, up to 128 GB. Memory slots, 4. Storage, 2x M.2, 6x SATA. Networking, Wi-Fi 6, 2.5 gigabits LAN, Bluetooth 5.2. Power design, 8+2 DRMOS. Expansion, PCIe 4.0. USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type A and Type C. Form factor, ATX. RGB, addressable Gen 2 RGB, or async.